The prospective customer maintenance screen is used to set up prospective customers, quite often used by sales staff when they develop a prospect but are not sure whether or not there'll be a customer that will be buying products from the company. This is a very preliminary screen. Once the customer is converted to a real customer, which can be done through the Prospect to Customer Conversion Program GB 8000, at that point, when the customer is set up, more detailed information can be entered in there if needed. So this is just a preliminary information that would be used, important information for a prospective customer. So what we're going to do now is just set up our own prospective customer here. As an example, we're going to call it AB0100. John Smith Corporation. And we'll enter the country, the various address information here. And the telephone number, fax, if we have that information available. We won't enter it in at this time. The internet address, if we know that. Once the record is committed, and if the user queries the record again, and if the internet address is populated, the user can click on the Go button, and that'll bring you right into the website for the prospective customer. In the miscellaneous pop-up box, we can put in some more information here: the salesperson number, trade class, language, and these will default in the language for your system setup, whatever that is. The currency also will default in for how you have your system set up. In this case, we're going to change it to US. And the bill to customer will default being the prospective, but again, that can be changed if necessary. Go a little farther along, we'll go into the internal text, and here we can enter any type of internal text that we wish to. If we want to enter in some contacts here as to who to contact in the company, and various contact titles, we can select that from our list of contacts that we have set up in the contacts maintenance. So then we can put in telephone number, fax, the email address. The email address, if populated, once the record is committed, you can click on the email button here and immediately go into the email entry screen that exists in the software. Mailing code also exists. If we want to go into the setup in the mailing code maintenances, we can click on this button, and that will bring us into that screen. So at this point, we can save our record, and now we have AB-100 prospect created. The next step in the process is, if we wish to convert this to a real customer, we would run GB 8000, which is the prospect to customer conversion. A separate tutorial exists on that, so you can listen to that if you wish to proceed to convert this to the regular customer. That concludes the tutorial on the prospective customer maintenance.